Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Boyle. I'm with the Sylvia Group Insurance Agency out of Dartmouth, Massachusetts. I'm also affiliated with Gordon Atlantic, which is located in Norwell, Massachusetts. I'd like to talk about insurance claims and more specifically a homeowner claim. What do you do if you have a claim and it's after hours or perhaps it's over a long weekend and your agent's closed? Well, the first thing you have to know is that you have a duty after the loss occurs. And what is that? It's to prevent any further damage from taking place. Okay? So if a tree were to break through a window or crash through your roof and then there's a rainstorm, if you can get a tarp and put it up, if there's water coming through a window and it's coming through on a couch, can you move that aside? If it's a dishwasher that lets go and it's leaking into the living room or perhaps going into a finished basement downstairs, you might have to call ServPro. Get them over to pull up the carpets, clean up the water, prevent any mold or mildew from taking place. That is your duty after a loss. The other thing that you have to be aware of, the burden of proof is always going to be on you, the client, to show the carrier what was in the home at the time of a loss. Okay, let's say you have a homeowner's policy with $200,000 on the home, $100,000 for personal contents. If you suffer a loss, and let's say the home is a fire and it's a total loss, don't expect the carrier to show up on your doorstep with that check for $100,000 for your personal contents. You're going to have to prove to the carrier that you had at least that much property in your house at the time of the loss. And how can we do that? Well, you should have an inventory. Gone are the days where people write down the inventory, they keep receipts of what we had and we'll store them somewhere. So we do have a loss, we'll show that to the adjuster. But in the age that we live in now with our cell phones, take pictures of everything. Walk through your house, take a video of everything. With the equipment that we have, we can take photos of serial numbers on the back of the television set, the electronics that we have. And I tell my clients, put it on a zip drive, give it to me. iCloud, put it on the cloud. So in the event of a loss, you can show the adjuster, here are the photos. This is everything that I had in my house at the time of the loss. You can also do this with websites. One website is called zoda. It allows you to put up your inventory online. It's a free service. There's also a pay service where there's additional services offered. Take a look at their website. You can find out more about that. I hope this information was helpful for you. Insurance is a product that we all have to have, but we never want to use, especially in the event of a claim. But it's so very important that you have the right policy in place at the time of the loss. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me at the Sylvia Group or reach out to me through Gordon Atlantic Insurance.